If you have been trying to manifest your dream life and still you are waiting for the results, this video could save you months or even years of frustration. Because today I am going to reveal the hidden mistakes you make while manifesting. And the worst part is, most people are making the mistake every day without realizing it. Try to feel good. Claim it. Hello lovely people, I am on a mission to change millions of lives through manifestation and growth. If you want to grow together, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Now let's begin. Number 1. Manifesting with fear instead of faith. So when you have fear or doubt about your manifestation or your goal or whatever you are believing in, you won't be able to have it because you are vibrating on a negative frequency which is not matching your desired frequency. Many people say they want love, abundance, success, but underneath that desire is fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear that it may never happen. So even though their words say one thing but their energy says completely different thing. Let me tell you one thing, whether it's fear or faith, it both demands one thing, believe. Either it's fear or it's faith, both the things can't be together. So whatever you have been doing, you have been manifesting with fear or something and now you're not getting it, just change it. Manifest with faith, have faith. Trust the process, you will get whatever you want. The second mistake, lots of people are thinking they will just think overnight and it will just appear in front of them. And when nothing happens after a few days, they just give up. But you need to understand this, manifestation isn't magic, it's alignment. Your thought create beliefs, your belief create actions, and as you know, your action create results. The universe can open the door for you, but still you need to walk through it. And the third mistake is constantly checking the evidence. Have you ever planted a seed? Imagine constantly digging it up just to check whether it's growing or not. It would never grow. Yes, exactly that's what people are doing with manifestation. They keep asking, is it here yet? Why it is not here? When will it come? Why isn't it happening? Where is the sign? And every time they do that, they are focusing on the fact that they don't have it. Remember this, manifestation grows in trust, not in obsession. And now here's a mistake that nobody talks about. Holding onto an old identity. You cannot create a new reality while staying attached to the version of yourself who created the current one. If you want to create abundance, you must stop identifying with scarcity. If you want confidence, you must stop identifying with insecurity. Look, your outer world reflects your inner reality. Change who you believe you are and reality begins to shift. I always say, you are what you believe in. Always remember this. Thank you and we'll see you in the next one.